Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can check for the system update of your Jaybird Vista 2nd generation. So first of all, you have to be connected with your Jaybird application, then scroll down and go for the support. Right now you have to go simply for the firmware, and there's also one thing, you just have to remove both earbuds from the case, because in the other way they will be not detected. And as you can see, in my case, I'm just up to date with the buds firmware and the same with the charging case. But if you are out of date and you are able to download, you just have to click to start update right here, and then do not disconnect from the Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.